everybody, it's me, Mr. Train. I just got done watching one of my favorite sports, baseball. Do you know why I love baseball? Because any game where the Blue Jays can take on the Orioles is okay by Mr. Train. Speaking of baseball, a lot of people ask me, Mr. Train, what's your favorite thing about baseball? What's my favorite thing about baseball? That reminds me of one of my brand new
Mr. Train's best and brightest joke about birds.
That's bodacious and spectacular
And the most
amazingly
funny joke about birds in the history of the
world
and universe.
I see my best birding buddy Otis, and he's out playing some wiffle ball right now. Hey Otis, you want to hear a new Mr. Train joke?
Sure.
What is Mr. Train's favorite thing about baseball?
I don't know.
When a player hits a foul ball. Foul, like water foul?
That's actually a really bad joke, Dad.
Well, at least I'm trying. I'll keep wondering and trying to discover some new jokes that'll make you laugh. And until I do, keep your eyes to the skies.
Lessons learning, Mr. Beyond nature training better. We are learning words and birding lessons, love and wonder turning nature better when we're learning wording, birding lessons learning. Mr. Train's life lessons for better birding and beyond.